Hi students, welcome back to class number 7 on cost and management, accounting and financial management. Okay, so we were discussing for last 2-3 classes on transfer pricing. So still I am continuing the transfer pricing. So in this class also we have one of the important problem. This has come in question paper earlier also. So request you to watch the video carefully. Okay, and there are one or two places where you may go wrong, or you may take a different direction, so that the answer is not right as per the books. Okay, so watch it carefully guys. So maybe in this session, and I will release one more video, we can wrap up the transfer pricing. Okay, so all the best guys. So let's move into the today's problem. Okay, so this is also a transfer pricing and total costing methodology is used in this problem. Let me read out the question. It is illustration number 17 as per the PDF book that is available on. So I follow only the PDF book that is available on the ICMAI website, which is icmai.in. So if in case the study material what you have is having some different problem which is not there in my videos, I request you to drop that in your comment box below the video. Okay, so that I can also you can put a snapshot of the relevant question. I will answer for that through separate video. Okay, so yes guys, and also request you to spread the video to many friends, and many of my friends are still asking that they have not received the video. Okay, so many of the students has asked in the WhatsApp group. I also maintain a WhatsApp group. You can also check one of the video. In this video also I will put in the description box uh, the WhatsApp link, so you can join the WhatsApp group. Also, you can share to your friends also who is in need. Okay, so let me read out the problem. Rana manufactures a product by a series of mixing of ingredients. The product is packed in companies made bottles and put into an attractive carton. Okay, so one division manufactures the bottle while the another division prepares the mix that does the packing. So one division does the manufacturing of bottle, so that is the bottle manufacturing division, and the bottle is transported to the next division, and next division is doing some mixing kind of activity where they prepare the ingredients which will be filled up into the bottle, and bottle will be packed by putting into a carton, and that do so the second division does the mixing packing. First division does the manufacturing of bottles only. Okay, the user division obtained the bottle from the bottle manufacturing division. The bottle manufacturing division has obtained the following quotation from external source for supply of empty bottles. So if we want to go for external source instead of sourcing it from the bottle manufacturing unit, the quotation is as follows. Okay, 8 lakh bottle and 12 lakh bottle. So what means the production department has done schedules. We can do a setup for doing a 8 lakh bottles. We can do a setup for 12 lakh bottles. Okay, so this has been given to the finance. So all the budgeting process, everything we are doing for 8 lakh separately, 12 lakh separately, based on the market scenario. Maybe finance or the management take a decision to move on with something. So that is a different part. So that's why there is a two column 8 lakh bottles and 12 lakh bottle. Okay, so here the price for offer is 8 lakh bottles at 14 lakh rupee and 12 lakh bottle at 20 lakh rupee. So what is this? This is the market price. So if we are not, if the mixing and packing division is not taking the bottles from the bottle manufacturing unit, and if they are going for the external source for the bottles, then the quotation is as follows. 14 lakh bottle, 14 lakh they have to spend for getting 8 lakh bottle, and 20 lakh they have to spend for 12 lakh bottle. Now the estimated cost. So if bottle manufacturing unit is doing the bottle, then there will be a cost incurred, and the cost includes the material cost, wages cost, all the variable put together, all the fixed put together, because it is a total costing kind of problem. So the complete total cost, they have given a term total cost, we have to take that in that sense itself. Okay, so for 8 lakh and 12 lakh, 10 lakh 40,000 will be the cost, and 14 lakh 40,000 will be the cost for 12 lakh bottles, making 12 lakh. So we have the cost on one side, we have the market price on the other side. What are the other values that is given? The sale value and the end cost of mixing and packing divisions are as follows. Okay, so now the sales value is given, which means The bottle goes to the mixing packing division, the mixing of ingredients happen, filling of ingredients happen, and the packing into the carton box will happen. So the total sales value of that end item is 91.2 lakhs for 8 lakh bottles, and 1.27 crore, so 1.278 crore for 12 lakh bottles. Next, there is a total cost is also given for this. Here the book has done one mistake, guys. There is a printing error. You have to identify that. This may be carry forward if this is exactly replicated on your question paper also. So do that correction, okay, or else you may end up with a different answer. Okay, because if you remember some other numbers and you go without correction, you also mentioned the you need not if the question paper is having a wrong value, I suggest you proceed with the wrong value itself. Okay, because the evaluation will not think that you have to put the correct value. So many students used to remember the value and they used to put, but here there is a clear cut wrong value, because in the solution they have used 64.8 lakhs. However, in the question it is 10.4 lakhs. We don't know how the question paper will come, but this is a very important question also. Okay, so have this in mind. Okay, so going for the 12 lakh, for 12 lakh bottles, the total cost is 96.8 lakhs. So the total for the mixing and packing, so the end item sales value is also given. At the same time, the total cost is also given, which means the sum total of the P&L cost, everything is given. Okay, so excluding the cost of bottles. So the cost given here does not include the cost of bottles, which we discussed earlier. Cost of bottles 10 lakh 40 and 14 lakh 40 is not included in the 64.8 and 96.8. Okay, the total. So if you are going for the total end-to-end costing, you have to add this 64.8 plus 10.4 for 8 lakhs bottle, and if for 12 lakh, if you want to find the total end-to-end costing, then it is 14.4 lakhs plus 96.8 lakhs. So let's read out the question. There is a considerable discretion proper to maintain the proper transfer price for the bottling division. So bottle is been transferred from first division to the second division. So the transfer price of the bottle should be fixed, keeping in mind of all the prevailing regulations. Yes, the divisional manager's salary is an incentive bonus based on the profit of the centers. You are required to show for given two levels of activity. So two levels of activity, 8 lakh activity, 12 lakh activity. Okay, the profitability of two divisions and total organization. Okay, and the total organization based on the appropriate transfer price determined on the basis of shared profit related to total cost. Okay, so profit is shared between the two divisions. What are the two divisions? The bottle making division and mixing and packing divisions. Okay, profit is shared, okay, on the basis of total cost. So what is the total cost of the product? So which means the cost of making the bottle, cost of mixing, cost of packing, everything put together. In that ratio, the profit will be split. On the second thing is based on the market price. So first we will go for answering the first one. Okay, sale value. This is very simple, guys. Here the we may think of going to calculating the per unit cost and doing the contribution or doing the total profit and all. We need not go to the per unit level itself. Okay, the volume is also given and all the cost and price, everything is given in the total level itself, which means per unit multiplied by the total sales quantity at the total level itself. Okay, so we can do everything at a P&L level itself, which means P&L is nothing but a cumulative figure, right? So cost sheet is nothing but per unit level. Cost sheet will have per unit of direct material per unit, wages per unit, and if you go for the P&L level, it is per unit multiplied by the unit sold. Okay, so unit sold or unit produced, okay, accordingly. So because if it is a sales multiplied by the unit sales, if it is a material cost multiplied by the unit produced, so how much you have produced, that much of material cost you have consumed. So that is the P&L level. So here we are going to do everything on the P&L level. So if you see sales value, I'm putting here the yellow column is if you are going to the finance department and you are presenting something to the management, we always use this kind of column. Okay, you need not take the same fashion in your examination also, but if you are going to take, put relevant explanation accordingly. Okay, and also your inference, your decision, everything should be put very carefully. If you are going to do something different from your book, okay, it's different thing. So your invigilator or your evaluator should be also smart enough to understand that. Okay, so assume that they are not smart enough, so you put as much as description as possible. So I'm using this so that I'm training you not only for ICWA, also for taking up a finance career in a very professional organization, and having a very good growth ladder in 10 or 15 years you can surely be a general manager, if you have done your ICWA. So I request you to so I always make you trained on CMA problems as well as a real CMA in the professional life. So going with the formula, this is the formula which we are making our own sales. Okay, sales value is nothing but A. It is given in the question 91.2 lakh and 1 point or 127.8 lakh. Okay, it is taken here. Okay, now mixing and packing is the last from the from bottom to top we are coming. So bottom most is sales has been happened. Next is, before that, what is the thing? It is mixing and packing. So mixing and packing cost is given in the question 64.8 lakh and 96.8 lakh. 64.8, 96.8. Okay, next bottling cost. Yes, we know what is bottling cost, 10.4 and 14.4. Okay, so if you reduce A minus B minus C, we are creating D. D is nothing but the profit. Profit is 16 lakhs for 8 lakh bottle, 16.6 lakhs for 12 lakh bottle. Okay, so which means about 50% the quantity is increasing, but only 0.6 lakhs the profit is increasing. So accordingly, finance department may take some call for giving some orders to production, but that is not our agenda. Okay, next we have to share the profit. So that is what is the question. Share the profit related to total cost. So what is the share of profit for mixing and packing? So now we have 16 lakh from end to end. This 16 lakhs is there. So how much of profit related to bottling division? How much is related to mixing and packing division? We have to know that, because here it is clearly given that divisional manager's salary and incentive is depending on the profit. So profit has to be allocated properly by the corporate finance, not the factory finance, by the corporate finance. So now we are taking the role of corporate finance. So now we are discovering one more formula. Okay, so D is the profit and D has to be allocated in the ratio of B is to C. So B is the cost, C is the cost. So in the ratio of the cost, I am splitting the profit. Okay, so D, B divided by B plus C, and accordingly for share of bottling division will be C divided by B plus C. Okay, I hope you are well thorough with the ratio and proportion. So this is the ratio in which we are sharing the profit. So 13 lakhs goes to mix and packing and 2.2 lakhs goes to bottling. So putting together it will comes to 16 lakhs, and same way 16.6 lakhs is bifurcated into 14.4 lakhs and 2.1 lakh. If you total it, it will match with 16.6 lakhs. So now we have calculated the profit. We have bifurcated the profit for the two divisions because divisional managers salary is totally dependent on this profit. Next is uh, what is our agenda? First agenda is sharing of the profit. Second agenda is we have to fix the transfer price. For transfer price for what? Transfer price for the bottle that is transferred from the bottling division to the mixing and packing division. So bottling division, here we have the profit of bottling division, which is F. So F divided by what is the quantity? 8 lakh quantity. So divided by 8 lakh quantity, profit per unit is 0.277. And similarly for profit for 12 lakh cases 0.179. Now we have the per unit profit. Okay, if we find the per unit cost, then cost plus profit will be the transfer price. So per unit cost can also be found out. Cost is nothing but we have the total bottling cost, which is C, 10.4 and 14.4. The cost can be divided by the quantity, 8 lakh quantity and 12 lakh quantity respectively. You can find the per unit cost. So I think my video is disturbing you, but the answer will tally with your book. Okay, so if you just add G plus H, so per unit cost is added with the per unit profit so that the transfer price is created. So first question we have answered. We have split the profit to the division based on the total cost. Also we have found the transfer price, which is the sum total of the profit per unit, because transfer price is always per unit, correct, right? Okay, so transfer price per unit is nothing but the profit per unit plus the cost per unit. Okay, so G plus H will give you the transfer price. So let's answer the next problem, market price. So that looks very simple. Market price is already given. So market, this is not the price per unit, this is market value, market price multiplied by the quantity. Okay, that is the market value, that is also given. Let me move to the next slide. Okay, so now we are answering the second question. which is on the market price. So here also the sale value is not going to change, 91.2 lakhs and 127.8 lakhs, that is not going to change. Okay, while doing the problem you can also do, I have done all this calculation in lakhs, so you can put above the table, you can put all the values in lakhs as a bracket in lakhs, or like book you can also calculate in the absolute numbers itself. Okay, I suggest you can go by absolute numbers itself, because you may end up doing some column, some rows in per unit level, and you will assume that is also in lakhs and other numbers also in lakhs, and you may get confused if you are doing in lakhs. So you go as a absolute numbers itself. Okay, so here for explanation purpose I have used everything in the lakhs. So 91 means 91.2 lakhs, 127.8 lakhs. Okay, next, what is the mixing and packing cost? That is also given in the question, 64.8 and 96.8. That is not going to change, but cost of bottle will change. In our previous case, the cost of bottle is actually the company how much cost incurred, that is the cost in the previous, but now we are buying the bottles at market price. Okay, so the market price, the 14 lakhs and 20 lakhs is the cost, so the cost to the mixing and packing division will go up, right? So it will go up. So because they are buying at 14 lakh and 20 lakh, they want to buy at external market determined price. So this is the market value, they are paying market value for their bottle. So of course the mixing and packing division's profit will go down. Okay, so profit for the mixing and packing division, so if we reduce this 91 a minus b minus c, I'm taking it as D, it is nothing but 12.4 lakhs and 11 lakhs. Okay, here bottling cost, yes, we have the detail, 10.4 is the cost and 14.4 is the cost. Okay, and we have the 14 and 20, so 14 minus 10.4, 20 minus 14.4 is automatically going to be the profit of the bottling division. So we need not allocate in some other thing, and we need not complicate, but book has little bit complicated. This is a simplification. If you want to deliver as per the book also, it's perfectly okay, but here the logic is very clear. You can understand this logic and apply the book's procedure, and also you can deliver in the question. So here you need not bifurcate itself, easily you have found out. Okay, what sales value it is given, total cost for the mixing and packing is division is also given. So sales value minus total cost of mixing and packing minus market value of the bottles will give you the profit of the mixing and packing division. So what is the profit of the bottling division? You have the market value of the bottle for the total quantity minus what is the total cost for the bottling section, that also you have. So 14 minus 10.4, yeah, 14 minus 10.4 and 20 minus 14.4, F is equal to C minus E. So that is the profit to the bottling. So you have identified the profit, you have identified the profit of mixing and packing, you have identified the profit of bottling. Okay, we will not apply so much of thing to find the transfer price. Of course, the mixing and packing is going to buy at the market price. So we know the market value, which is 14 lakhs, and we know 8 lakh bottles we are going to buy. So 14 lakh divided by 8 lakh is the price, purchase price. Purchase price is nothing but the transfer price from bottling section to the mixing and packing section. So the transfer price is very simple here. Market value determines the respective quantity. So in this case, the quantity is 8 lakhs. So in this case, 20 lakhs is divided by 12 lakh. So 1.667 will be the transfer price. Okay, so this is a very simple case. Okay, so yes, let's cut short the video with this question. There is, I think, one more question that is left out. I will come out with the video very shortly for that, and with that I think we can wrap up the transfer price. Or if there is some other extra additional questions that is given in your book, I will cover that also. Okay, so all the very best, guys.